Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to project your phone's display to your PC wirelessly. So this works for you if you are using Windows 10 or a Windows 11 PC. So it is still the same step. So firstly, head over to your start menu on your desktop. Then look for this pre-installed software called Connect. It is a pre-installed software on computers, but if you don't have it on your system, I'm going to be creating a separate video on how you can easily get that software on your system. So firstly, open it on your system. Then once you've opened it on your system, then pick up your phone, then go to your settings app. Then more options, look for the cast feature on your phone. So this is the cast feature now on my phone. Then I'll click on it. Sorry. Then okay, it is on. Then you turn it on if it is off. So you wait for it to show the name of your desktop. So as you can see now, it is showing the name of my desktop here. So I'll just click on it and it's going to connect. So as you can see now, the display of my phone is showing on my PC. So this is just how you can easily to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching guys.